Guangzhou Tigerhead Battery Group Company Limited, established in 1999 traced back to as early as 1928, is a premier state-owned enterprise and the undisputed leader in China's dry battery industry. With authorized self-import and export rights, we achieve annual sales exceeding 6 billion pieces, consistently ranking first in national sales volume, export earnings, and core business revenue. We have constructed a state-of-the-art energy-conserving affiliated industrial park in Yunfu City, utilizing advanced automation to ensure absolute product stability and traceability. Our subsidiary, Tigerhead Hiwatt Battery HK Company Limited, further fortifies our global network. As a top-tier OEM manufacturer, Hiwatt serves prestigious brands across North America, Europe, and Asia, cementing our status as an integrated industrial and trade powerhouse. We operate under a rigorous ISO 9001 quality management system to ensure precise control across all production lines. Our products are engineered to meet the most stringent international standards, holding comprehensive certifications including CE, RoHS, UL, FCC, and IEC. Furthermore, we provide UN 38.3 and MSDS reports to guarantee safe transport and seamless customs clearance for our global partners. We are aggressively driving R&D in lithium-ion batteries and energy storage products to lead the new energy trend. By adhering to a diversified strategy and upgrading our manufacturing capabilities, we are creating dynamic new growth points, ensuring the Tigerhead brand continues to shine around the world.